Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the new Roblox chat. To begin, you can easily access the chat interface by clicking the chat icon, typically found in the top right corner of your screen, or by simply pressing the / key on your keyboard. You'll notice the updated layout immediately, featuring a significantly larger text input area and a much clearer display for all your messages. On the left-hand side of the chat window, you'll find your friends list and a convenient overview of your recent conversations, making it simple to jump back into discussions. Sending messages is straightforward. Just type your desired message into the expanded text box, which is prominently located at the bottom of the chat interface. Once you've finished typing, press the Enter key to instantly send your message to the selected conversation. To add a touch of personality, utilize the new emoji picker. It's conveniently located right next to the text box. You'll discover a wide range of expressive icons, all neatly categorized for easy navigation, allowing you to convey emotions and reactions with just a few clicks. The new chat system makes managing group conversations much easier. You can create new group chats by simply selecting multiple friends directly from your friends list. Once a group is formed, you have full control to manage its settings, including adding or removing members and changing the group's name to something more descriptive. Furthermore, you can adjust your chat privacy settings to control precisely who can send you messages. Choose between everyone, friends, or no one for incoming messages, giving you complete peace of mind. Beyond the basics, the new chat offers several advanced features to enhance your experience. You can use quick reply options that appear when you hover over a message, allowing for rapid responses. For important information, pin messages to the top of a conversation, ensuring they are always easily accessible. If a conversation becomes too active, simply mute it to stop receiving notifications without having to leave the chat entirely. Remember to utilize the built-in reporting tools if you encounter any inappropriate behavior, helping maintain a positive environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.